How to install Windows 8 operating system. Step 1. Go to the BIOS and set the first boot device to CD or DVD. Step 2. Insert the installation media and boot from media. It will load the Windows files. Follow the steps as shown in the picture below. Step 4. Click on Install Now. Step 5. Enter the product key to activate Windows 8. Usually the product key will be found at the back of your CD or DVD cover. Step 6. Select I accept the license terms. Select Custom Install option. Step 8. Select the drive where you want to install Windows 8 and click Next. If you want to make any partitions, click Drive Options, Advanced, make the partitions and then click Next. Here we are going to install Windows 8 in unallocated partition, so delete if any partition already there. Step 9. Select Delete option. Step 10. Select S option from the pop-up. Select the unallocated space and click Next. After this, the installation will continue. Step 11. Give the PC a name and then select Use Express Settings. Step 12. If a Microsoft account is available, provide the email address and select Next. Step 13. Finished installing Windows 8 successfully. And that's how it is done.